I gotta hold this one tight.
So it doesn't move.
Are you sure you trust me doing this?
I don't know, you wanted to do it.
I know, I'm scared now. I don't know if I can loosen it, so I gotta pull.
You're gonna want to push the other one away from you. That's tightening.
Is it? I can never remember these things.
Don't make me say it again. No, you're still pulling towards you. Now you gotta push it towards the firewall. Your right arm is gonna pull towards you while the left one pushes away from you.
How do I want to take it off?
You gotta take it off.
Okay.
Oh, if only you didn't get any rags to soak up the gas.
You didn't tell me to. Why does it get stuck like that?
Once you break it free, you can probably do it by hand.
That's what I was thinking. I probably don't need to hold this anymore.
Nope.
Okay. Just forget it. Okay, what now?
Now you need a 1/4" ratchet with a 5/16 socket. And that's gonna let all the gas out once you take that out. And then after all the gas is done draining, which will be about 2 seconds, you can take the other 3 bolts off. Yeah, the same.
I don't know if this is on tightening or loosening. I never remember.
We'll figure that out. You don't have to look at the ratchet to let it tell you. You spin it to figure it out. That's tightening. She's never gonna learn this. We've been going over this for like
Only certain angles
13
I got
years.
it. Other angles I gotta think about it a little bit because I'm not used to doing it. No. And the gas is coming out though.
Yep, make sure that rag is catching it. They make a little cup that you hold under there when you do that. Well, now you're just going back and forth with it. See how it's not ratcheting?
Yes.
You just take it off and spin it by finger.
I can't get a good grip on it because it's too close to the thing and there's gas spewing out of it. Yeah, Band-Aid on my finger.
Band-Aid? We don't wear Band-Aids in the garage.
I would quit.
We use masking tape.
Freaking finger and stuff. I can't get this. Why is it not ratcheting anymore?
Because it's too loose to ratchet.
Oh.
You can hold the socket so it ratchets if you want.
This is just awkward angle. I feel like it would be easier if I was leaning over the fender, but I don't want to lean over the fender.
If you had fuel injection, you wouldn't have to do this.
I know. This is frustrating.
So we're about, let's see, 5 minutes in and you want to give up already.
I know.
I want to work on my car.
I do, but this is, I don't have enough experience with it, so I don't know what
This is the experience right here.
Bullshit.
Maybe if you had some gloves that actually fit your fingers.
Maybe. Maybe if I could actually get this in again. Because I can't get my fingers in here because it's too tight of a... And I can't even get the socket to spin because this is in the way. Might as well turn that off. It's going to be like a half an hour before I get this off. I turn this off. Nobody wants to watch me struggle with this for an hour.
I think they do.
No, I don't think so.
I'll fast forward it. So there was just some crap in this needle and seat here. So apparently, even though the float was coming out and touching this, it wasn't sealing in here, and the fuel was still coming in. So now that that's cleaned off, there's also some gunk inside here. Gotta clean that out, find a new gasket, and put it back together. So I really should probably take the front fuel bowl off too and clean that out, but I don't want to.
Doesn't look like blocks.
What do I need those for?
I thought you were putting that up in the air.
Just gonna drive it next week. That'd be nice.
Oh.
Figured you
Good
get yours
idea.
out, I'd get mine out. You have a bug off.
Right. Sell off
Oh, okay. Who's is gonna sell first?
yours.
Why? Because you're not putting yours for sale.
No. I'll put mine for sale.
If you don't have any carb cleaner, WD-40.
Works really good.
Well, I don't know about that.
Kinda works.
Kind of. I cleaned up the needle and seat pretty good. Oh, fuel injection won't have that problem.
Alright.
When you two step up to that. Or we can just put this back together and call her done.
That's what we're gonna do.
Huh?
So we're gonna put this back together and call it good.
Oh, you've had enough already?
I'll take this one off of here, but we're gonna say we're not doing fuel injection.
Oh, what?
Listen, I got an eye surgery.
Listen, everybody knows
Up for.
that you wouldn't be the one buying it.
Oh boy. Well, anyway.
Did you know that Edelbrock makes Holley gaskets, sir?
Um,
Yeah.
Oh, the gasket's already.
Make sure you get that arm under that spring thing.
Arm under the spring. Because that's what makes the spring go up and down.
Oh,
Something like that.
no, not technically. That's not what I would say.
What is the arm for?
Well, that's what pumps the gas in. The accelerator pump.
Okay.
one of them little chargers still?
No, you remember? You took the cables for it. Then you found
But
them.
you have the charger.
Then you found them in your bug.
But you have the charger.
Somewhere, yes.
Okay, that's what I asked. I didn't ask you to have the cable.
What are you doing with the rest of my fuel? You like burning up on everything.
Well, I thought I might need it when I go out here to start it.
Your truck doesn't fire right up?
Well, it's been sitting. It's probably all.
That's not what that fuel's for, sir.
Instead, you're gonna have to unhook the Ford. Give me that battery charger.
Want to rebuild that carburetor next? Yeah, it's to keep you out of it. You could have grabbed some of the regular gas in the can.
It's easier to go buy this.
Right, yeah.
It pours a lot easier too.
Don't worry, I'll drive the truck back there. Not nice you let cars sit here with dead batteries, so I can't even move them around. See, it was that last jump you did.
With you leaving the cables hooked up, just batteries just sucking me dry.
If you would have poured the gas down before you tried the first time.
Right, I know. I just thought, well, maybe you'd have enough in her. I mean, that battery under the bench is probably charged up.
There's no battery under the bench.
Oh, surefire.
This thing? I don't even remember what it's from. Your dad's. Yeah, it's good. Catch!
This thing is deader.
Oh, you can tell by the weight?
Yep. This is where I'm going to mount it.
I'm gonna just take the seat off.
Probably.
So I got that all set up. I mean, that's a situation I got going in there.
That is the situation.
I mean, I'm all ready to charge here. This is a every time I come out here I plug it in type of thing.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'll take it off.
No, we could just.
No, let me just take it off.
Jump over your truck.
Oh boy, this will be quite the situation. Let's leave the lawnmower hooked up at the same time. It'll be like a chain. Oh man, look how nice it is in here. Did you see the vacuum job me and Angel did?
It's nice.
That's some rust you didn't fix.
I don't know why the water pools right there.
Oh yeah, GM for you.
Remember which way to do it.
Where it's you. Whoa, don't get too crazy. Oh, why are you beating up your hood?
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, there's gas in the carburetor. You can give it a pump now. Pump the gas once. Hold on. Let me look at something. Keep it running because the choke's off.
Sounds a lot better than it did.
It's all better now.
Yay.
Good job. Congratulations.